Welcome, Archana ma'am, to the Masterpieces. How are you doing today?
Fantastic. Good afternoon.
Can we start by discussing a bit about your career?
Yes, sure. So I have a very, I can say I have a very rewarding career so far.
Mm-hmm.
And my last, so I've completed 22 years in the corporate industry.
All right.
Uh, did my BCom, basic BCom, and then did my MBA in HR.
Mm-hmm.
And I did 6 years of core HR.
Mm-hmm.
And soon after that, I got into the digitalization industry,
Right.
which is doing HR digitization, basically implementing some of the uh, packages which were ready-made available at that time, which is like PeopleSoft and SAP, etc.
Mm-hmm.
And while I was doing that, I also started getting exposed to doing bigger transformation programs, bigger HR systems programs. When I came to my stint in L&T. So I started my career with Mahindra Consulting.
Okay.
Did HR over there. Then went on to do further HR work with Aptech Hexaware. Hexaware was also an IT company. Mahindra was also an IT company. So I have majorly worked in IT companies.
Right.
After I did my HR career in Hexaware, I realized that I do have a very project mindset and a very to take up something, complete it, see it through. That's the kind of mindset I had.
Right.
So I got into digital and built websites, built attendance management systems, etc. in Hexaware. Then moved to L&T, LTIL at that time, L&T Infotech, and had a very rewarding career in L&T. I moved out from L&T mainly for obviously for career growth. I came into a company called WNS Global Services. The career in WNS also was very rewarding because I did a lot of transformations. So my career was very unique. So I used to get into as an HR technology person and move into IT as a technology person. So it was always an HR IT kind of a role. And then I went from WNS, I went to again a BPO company called First Source. And there my career was, sort of average because the company was not very much into investing into technology. And I moved out from there and joined Reliance. And Reliance Industries was my largest stint. I had the good fortune of working very closely with Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani sir. I had a opportunity to work with his right hand and the chief of Jio, Mr. Manoj Modi sir. I had a good fortune of working with some real good technology people like Sundara Raghavan, Arindam Banerjee, Kaushik Chaniara, and R. Srinivasan, Rajesh Sarda, some phenomenal guys, Dilip Vyas, absolutely phenomenal guys. I very soon understood working with all these companies that digital transformation is not just system implementation.
Right.
It's the change management activity. I am getting myself certified in change management with a company called Semco Style Institute.
Okay.
Now, I did two things actually. In February, I got exposed to their careers. And I am definitely very, very keen to do career mentoring for children. I am very passionate about how their career should change and how it would have impacted a person like me if I had been given career mentoring when I was in 8th, 9th, 10th. They had approached me in August, and I was not clear whether I want to do anything about it. So, but I realized that I used to take tuitions for children earlier also. And I realized that I want to do something for children. I want to do something wherein I would be able to contribute as a mentor to their life. I definitely wanted to take a step towards their careers, and that's what I did. The their careers, I took the training from there in February. I soon got introduced to something called process facilitation, which I didn't know how it was different from training and facilitation, which I'm now getting exposure to it in a much better way. And then I got introduced to Semco Style Institute. I'm very excited about what future holds for us,
Mhm.
and that's been the reward so far in my career. And I look forward to transforming children. I look forward to transforming companies.
Being certified as a DEA mentor in February, do you see a change in yourself before and after the training?
Definitely.
Mhm.
See, as an HR person, I always had the exposure to children,
Yeah.
youngsters, and with my kind of exposure, I also knew that कि, this is possible, that is possible. Engineering hai, ye hai, wo hai, and people come with computer technology, people come with BSc, MSc, MTech.
Yeah.
I had this idea. Obviously, law में ये होता है, ये में ये होता है, CA, CS, you can
Yeah.
do all these things. ये सब तो पता था. So I did an exercise for myself when I started the DEA training.
Mhm.
I sat there in that room where I was being trained, and I wrote down what are the possible education and career opportunities that I can think of. Okay, as a human being, if I had children, what was the scope of which I would have thought of? I got about 60 options. I was pleasantly surprised to see that there are 22,000 careers available for children.
Yeah.
I was shocked and surprised, I can tell you that. So they changed my entire perspective with reference to job, with reference to business, with reference to entrepreneurship,
Yeah.
because it gave me a perspective of how children can be looked at from their knowledge perspective, from their interest perspective, from their creativity perspective. It also gave me, there was this statement which my mentor, my sir made over there, Parag Joshi sir made over there. He mentioned that the 6 years of this career program, which is, suppose example, he starts from the 8th standard, or he starts from the 9th standard, the career training the career mentoring program that he starts.
Yeah.
That 6 years that he invests in his career, the right career,
Yeah.
is going to carry him through to 60 years of his life.
Absolutely.
That made an impact on me. That made an impact, because that, if that is done for any child, his career is set. He will never have this midlife crisis that most have today.
How would you plan to implement this vast experience into mentoring the child into correct way?
See, my one is the DEA program itself is so scientific. I don't really have to use my my analytical brain for that.
Right.
Because the program throws a lot of insight already in the child, about the child.
Yeah.
What we need to invest in, what I would put my energies to invest in, is my intent. Number one,
Okay.
my intent with reference to how I want to make an impact in the child's career, child's life, if I have to say. And two is the way in which my exposure, my education, and my spirituality will help in helping the parents understand what the children needs.
Thank you so much, Arsana ma'am, for connecting with me today, and it's such a different perspective for me as well. And I'm so lucky, and they are so lucky to have you as a mentor. Thank you for associating with us.
I'm looking forward to the hundreds of students that I'll meet in this due course.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. And on this note, I'll end this.